Are we back? I think we're back. Hello. There we go. Yeah, so, like I was saying, technical difficulties. My computer decided that was a perfect time to force reboot for apparently Windows updates. And I'm not even on. Let's see if my camera works this time. Does it work? My camera overlay is still blank. There we go. Yeah, so, like I said, par for the course, man. This has just been great. Okay, so yeah, technical difficulties have been had this morning and yesterday morning. I had my NAS was dead yesterday. I've had a whirlwind of a couple weeks with vacation, which are an adventure all on their own. And yeah, so where was I? I don't even know what I was gonna do. Let's use my brain. Come on, brain. Right, so back to my game jam stuff. That's what I'm working on. So, unfortunately, due to some unforeseen circumstances of having 2 vehicles break down while on vacation, I did not get my game submitted to the game jam, which I'm kind of bummed about. But it is what it is. I had no choice. Things just kind of happened, as things do without, without really caring about what I think should be happening. Because I actually was going to have plenty of time on Monday and Tuesday to finish up at least something playable. Because I have something that's mostly playable. Finish up my documentation and get it submitted. But yeah, then both my truck and our Subaru had to die. So that kind of put a damper on a lot of things. But I still want to finish that game, get it to a point where it's playable, it works pretty well. I actually was letting my kids play it. They were really enjoying it, and they found a few bugs. They found some things that doesn't quite work right. So I want to go through and actually spend a little time and get it finished. And then I'm actually want to go and try to find another game jam to start up and work on. See what kind of timelines I've got. I don't know if I'll be able to do one until after sometime in November, because I actually have a refueling outage coming up. So my streaming window is going to get narrowed down to 2 days during that 36 day window. Simply because I'll be working 60-hour weeks, and I don't particularly think I'm going to want to stream much when I get home after working 12-hour shifts. But we're going to go take a look and see what we can find. And let's see. What is this? Dream Station. Oh, nice. I love it. Dream Station. Anyway, game jams. So we've got a whole bunch of things coming up. I think I'm gonna need something that's a little bit, if I'm gonna do it with because my schedule, I've kind of changed up my schedule a little bit. So I'm gonna be streaming a little bit in the morning, like a couple hours in the morning during the week and maybe some on the weekend. So I'm gonna want something that's a little bit longer duration than 2 weeks or whatever I was working on before, because that was pretty intense. I mean, it worked well. I got quite a bit done, but I don't know if I can maintain that for a long time. Even if it was 3 weeks, I think that'd be enough. But let's see, what do we have available? So this is the 16th. Screws of Time. Oh, visual novel jam, that could be fun. Slash to do, I like that. I want to see that one. That's only a week long. That's only a week long? Oh, I guess it is only. Okay. I need it greater than 15 days. There we go. That makes it a little bit better. Bring out your dead. Do you have work in progress that you've been put on a definite hiatus? Well, yeah, kind of. All right. Well, I don't know. We'll see. I'll play around with this another time. But there are plenty out there. That's what is exciting. So we'll figure that out. I will figure that out at some point. All right, let's make sure I did have a few updates that I got made before things went to hell in a handbasket on vacation. But I don't think it was a whole lot. I mean, I spent the first couple of days, I kind of just went through all of my media and organized it, like all of my sound bites and stuff like that, and started organizing it. I never made it, never finished it. And so that was what I was working on. And then, like I said, I had all these issues. So then I kind of paused on, just about everything. Let's see, I think this is the one that I want. And like I said, these streams are going to be shorter windows because now school started. So I'm going to stream first thing in the morning until the kids are awake and ready to start moving, probably 7 o'clock-ish when my wife wakes up and leaves. And then today's Friday, so Fridays are a little bit weird because I have the day off, but I've got a lot of things I've got to do today, so I probably won't be back streaming. I don't know. We'll see how things go. So let's see. I did call it, that's right, with the kids' help, I decided to call it Lizard Wizard's Dungeon Escape, just because I like the flow of that. Okay, I don't think this one has any sound in it, because I don't think I actually had gotten it all added yet. I didn't even try to do a thing. Yeah, so that was something that they had found that was a bug, that once I have one failure, I have failures all across the board. So I need to look at that logic and take a look and see what is going on there. So let's go look at that script. And I think that's a global script, maybe? Maybe it's not. Okay, so it must be here in main scene then. Oh yeah, here's where I'm doing the thing. So I'm doing skill check. Oh, because that's the problem right there. Because I'm passing the same whatever you want to call it, the player sense, sight, touch, and hearing. So that's hearing. This one is not hearing. Let's player dot site. And this one is hearing. There we go. Well, that fixes that bug. That narrows that eliminated that one pretty quickly. And then let's see. I think I already added all of the sound effects, right? I thought that I had sounds. Yeah, so I have a whole bunch of sounds. And I think what I want to do with the sounds is randomly... I think I just want to randomly pick one to play. Or maybe just play through them randomly. Maybe I'm trying to think how I want to do that. I also want to take... I have some background music I want to add that's just going to be like... just low drone, kind of like really light background music. And then I want to overlay it, I think, with these sounds that my excellent sound guy created for me. So I think I'm gonna put in the sounds on the scene so that I'm trying to think how. Yeah, so I'll put the sounds in. I think it'll just cycle through them, maybe of different intensities. Is that what I want? I think I do. And then I want a sound effect for the door. When you click the door, like a door creaking, and I think I have... Do I have an open door? I have a door open, so I think when I click it, I think I want to switch it to the door open asset. Play the sound, switch to the open one. Not gonna bother trying to animate it because I don't have the animation. I'd have to create the new images so I can animate it, but I think I can do oh, what's it called? What's it called? It's not called transition. So this is actually just animating it. There's a term where it fades to another one. Maybe I shouldn't say transition. Maybe I should say fade. Maybe this will be what I want. 2-frame animation, which is kind of the same. You just put one sprite on top of the other and animate the modulate property of the sprite on top to get the effect you want. There's a way to do it. But for right now, let's work on getting the sound in. So call this one a node. I'm gonna call it sound effect. How do you play sound effects? What's that called? I thought it was called something like that. Audio. That's the phrase I'm looking for. Audio stream. It's like I thought it was audio stream player. Call this one monster sounds. So I will trigger the finished event. Every time the sound finishes, I'll trigger it and I'll re-randomize it to not include the one that it had. Yes, I think that's right. Oops. Local variable random is declared and never used. Oh. Oh, because that's right, I took it out. Oh, I can just go like that. Okay, yeah, go back to the scene. I'm getting sidetracked. Okay, so monster sound. I'm gonna start off by... We'll start by putting the monster moan in there. Okay, so loop is disabled. But I think I can do things to it to make it sound different, so it's not, doesn't sound like it's always the same. Attenuation, the volume is attenuated over distances. Tone of bus, master area, mask. Pitch scale, that's what it is. The pitch and the tempo of the audio as a multiplier of the audio sample. So if I go, let's mute my music for a second. Play with this for a bit. Maybe that actually doesn't do what I thought it was going to do. All right, well, maybe it doesn't. Autoplay is off, playing is off, stream paused is on, max distance. Oh, is it transform? No. Okay, so I'm going to put the sound effect here. I'm going to map up the finished. Okay, so when this monster sounds finish, I'm gonna put a timer in here. I'm gonna call it sound or replay delay. I've got a reminder to do my timesheet. Not that I want to do that right now. I don't want to auto start. The wait time is going to be, I'm going to set it to 5 seconds for right now. We'll just keep it at 5 seconds. It is a one shot because I don't want it to repeat. And let's go to node when the timer finishes. Okay, so right to start with, I'm going to get rid of that. So when the timer times out, I'm going to say, excuse me. I gotta remember how this all works. It's been a few days, so now I gotta look at how my, I need to get the node. I think there's a different way to do it I wanted to try. Play. I don't know which way I like better. We'll try that. And this one is going to start the timer. So we'll say $, sound effects, replay delay dot start. And so now it's gonna play, and then I will start it when the scene loads. After I do all the math, I'll start the sound. All right, let's try it. Let's pause the music. Let's give it a go. Play. It's there. It's really quiet though. That's a little creepy. All right. Let's play around with that. That note just a little bit. Probably too loud. I like it. I think what I need to do I like it. I do need to have some kind of long-term, or not long-term, but overall sound adjustment. But we've got some sound in the background. That's what's cool. We'll stick with that one for right now. I still have an error. Local variable ran. Oh, that's right. I know that that's not being used. Let's just comment it out. Because this thing here has volume dB, base volume before attenuation. Okay. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a global property. Play or sound effects can be equal to true. And then on the starting scene, don't I have a thing about the globals in here somewhere? So I have player. Yeah, it's globals.dialog message. So I can come here. I can say globals dot sound effects. So if global dot sound effects, then I can start it. There we go. That looks good. Oh, this coffee is also quite tasty this morning. I was very tired when I woke up this morning. I didn't know. I don't know. I mean, my alarm went off like normal every day. I mean, I was up a little bit late last night, but man, when I was getting up, I hit snooze once, and the next thing I knew, it was 35 minutes later. So I was running a little behind this morning. And I didn't know, I didn't know any time had passed. It was that kind of like snooze, right? It was nuts. So let's see. If I do that, that looks fine. So now I have a global that will do the sound effects. Let's go back to globals. If I go like that, I can get that. Okay. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna say sound effects dot monsters. Oh, what is it? No. Oh, it's dot /. It's actually supposed to be monster sounds anyway. Start. Not this one. But I want to do sound effects, monster sounds, dot. What's it called? Audio stroke. Oh crap. It's called stream. Now I want to change it to be the scratching one. And I want to see if it changes it. I think it will. Maybe. Let's try running it. Invalid set index stream. Nope, it didn't work. All right, how do I set audio stream? It's right there. Oh, I could do an audio stream randomizer. Maybe I should do that instead of trying to randomize it myself. Let's add a child node, call it audio stream. What? So audio stream randomizer inherits audio stream. So, okay, so Godot audio stream randomizer example. Oh, it's called random audio stream player. That's what I want. Nope. Oh, that's a plugin. Oh. So, how do I get this? If it's a plugin. All right, so let's random audio listener. Yeah. Yeah. So I say audio stream. Oh, there it is. I can say audio stream randomizer right there. Okay. So let me do that. And I've got sounds, and I can I select that whole folder? All right, now I gotta go back to this guy and watch that video. Right, that's the old way. So what's the new way? So it's a script variable. Where is it at? There we go. No, I don't want to do that. Audio stream randomizer. Okay, yeah, so I don't know what I'm doing. That's all there is to it. Okay, so there's a... Alright, so how do I create the pool then? Okay, let's figure out how to set this up. How to set up audio stream, random audio stream. Random audio stream. Good to know. We'll get it figured out. Maybe the forums will show me. Yeah, I could do that. Yeah, those are all... well, I may have to just watch a YouTube video. Random audio player. Okay, yep, gonna play sounds. It's under streams. It's new audio stream randomizer. Alright. Let's see what's mine look like. Mine does not look like that. Because mine's an audio stream player 2D. That's probably the problem. Change type. There we go. Now it looks kind of like that. Did I say streams? Add element. All right, so now let's go back to this guy. Yeah, that's doing it a different way, so. So now I can say drink. Random the intensity of the random pitch variation, playback mode, random avoid repeats. Alright, so let's see what that does now. Except that now I don't need to have this thing running. I think. Is there a delay between them? Yeah, so we'll come here and we'll not do this for right now. See what happens. Hopefully it's not too loud. Uh-oh. We have an awake kid. It's 6:03. Okay, what is happening here? Unexpected ident block after function declaration. Oh. I need to put this here. There we go. Oh, I wanted to have the music off. That's why I was like, why isn't my music playing? Because I'm playing the game with sounds. Non-existent function. Oh, okay. It's a different monster sounds. Well, just click this. Maybe it's auto start. Auto play. Maybe that's what I want. Maybe I should just. I don't hear any background sounds. I don't think it's working. Stream paused. Autoplay is on. Let me try that. Welcome back, dude. Okay, try again. Woo! There it is. But it only played once. Let's go back to script. So when it finishes, oh, I just passed, so I'm not doing anything there. Just say random. I don't want to avoid repeats because there's only 4. So it's got all these. It's got all their weights. Fix target. All right, let's try that again. Super loud. There we go. And I also had it playing through more than one place. Yeah, it's always the same sound. Let's turn that intensity down just a little bit. Let's change the intensity to 2. See what that sounds like. Oh, well, that's a different one. All right, so why is it stopping then every time? Sound effects, monster sounds dot play. Well, is there like a play? Yeah, there's a play function, so why isn't that? Let me go back and play with that a little bit. Let's turn off autoplay. There, that works. And it's still kind of loud. Okay, so I think I have to do the things that I was doing before. where I start the timer and then I play the sound. We'll try that again. Start game. Wait 5 seconds. Hey, it's actually working. You can't hear it because I don't have my PC sounds coming through. I just realized that, which is probably fine. I had to listen to some of that sound quite a bit. Okay, so I need to take... is this the loud one? I need to turn... Oh, I don't know how to... I don't know if I can make that a little bit, that one on, this particular one quieter. I don't think I can. Random pitch. Intensity to random volumes, value of one needs no variation. That's probably fine. Let's go 1.5. Let's try it again. Then wait 5 seconds. That's still so loud. I think I might need to normalize that one a little bit. I'm going to take that one out of the list because that one is pretty loud for now. Okay, so we've got sound. We've got the randomization of it kind of working. It randomizes it. I play it. That seems to work. Let's see, what else do I need to do? I need... Let's see, I fixed my bug. Oh, I need to add something to the starting scene to turn on and turn off sound effects. I need an icon for that. Well, I guess I could make it a button. Yeah, we'll add a button for now. An option button. On. And off. I can give it an icon that way. That's kind of cool. Now, can I give it a label? So it's its own... So it has its own label? I don't think I can. So we're gonna say... So I have items, where I have text, and an ID. Okay, so we'll say item selected. Index. So if is equal to 0, then globals dot sound effects is equal to true. Else globals dot sound effects is equal to false. Is that the right? Do I have that set up right? Zero is yes. Yes. Okay. We'll just test it real quick. Off. No sound effects. I don't go back to the start scene when I hit restart. On. Yep, there it is. Okay, that works. So now let's put a label there next to it. I need to say the selected one is 0, so it'll be on or off. Text alignment. Oh, add a child. Text. Not a text label. Yeah, we'll create a label. Start here. We'll give it. Uh-oh, I grabbed the wrong one. No, 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 what did I do? Sound effects. I need to go theme override colors, default color. Let's see, font size is 24. There we go. Sound effects on or off. On or off. Nice. All right, there's that. What else do I need? Ooh, what does the hand do? I don't want the hand pointer. There we go. But the only thing I have left to do is I want to play around with that door animation, but I'm not gonna do that now because I don't have anything. Got torches that are animating themselves. Okay, there we go. So now that works as expected. Okay. Okay, so the potions are always, and the potions are still always the same. So let's look at, oops, script. So somewhere, door value. Oh, excuse me. Oh. I might be doing the potions. Potion, drink, dialogue. So I think it's in the potion that has it. Yeah, it's a scene, isn't it? So I have a room with a difficulty. Okay, let's go back to main scene. Oh, my eyes are watering this morning. Gross. Okay, so in globals, I have a room difficulty here. Okay, so I have some potions that I've added. I have their dialogue messages. So I don't have that changing. So let's look at the potion shelf. So there's a script here. So each of these potions is its own. So I have potion green. So yeah, potion green. Oh yeah, okay. So here's where it creates calls on the functions that creates the potion. Okay. Let's see. Ugh. Ow. So I'll have to randomize that potion, and then I need to have the main scene. Have the skill check. I need to have conditions to check for the current room. Current room +1. So when the room loads. Where's skill? Well, let's go back to the skill check. Where is difficulty? So I have to pass in the difficulty. Okay, so I set current room. So okay, so I'm trying to get my brain to process through things here real quick. I'm gonna make coffee. I need to fill up my water thing, so I will take a short 2-minute break. Okay, I lied. I've been taking like a 90-second break. I already had water down here. I just needed to fill up my coffee pot. Oh, BRB is still there. There we go. Okay, so I need to have a general game win brain fart action. So whenever, excuse me. Okay, so I get, so I do this, I reload the current room. I think I need a function that does these checks because I have to do it for either door, and I want to get this separated so I'm not calling it over twice. So I'm going to say function, which for now can stay in this file because everything is in this room. So we'll say game over, and it's going to be this code here. I should probably do that. And so now here I can call game over. And I can also do that here. So I've got my game over set. I've got my fresh cup of coffee. Oh, I've got another kid awake. Okay. What? Parser expected after function name. I fixed that, didn't I? I did. Yeah. We'll try it. We'll make sure that it works right. Turn off sound effects. Okay, so it does work. All right, so now I need to have I need to have a function to check to see if we win. So we'll start by saying function game win. I'll say get tree call deferred DEFER change scene to file res scene. Actually, this I can drop in here, so I can find the scene. Call it win. There we go. So that will call the game win function. I actually want these at the very bottom, I think. And then check for win should return true or false. Actually, I have one more I need to add. Func next room. And that's really going to be that. So now instead of doing this, if a room's clear, then I'll say next room. Is there not enough of a gap between those? Oh wait, no, there's a there. And then I'll say next room. Now I'll have, what do I have in globals for? I have a maximum room difficulty. Last room. There we go. I have a variable called last room. That's what I needed to know. So I will have a func check win condition. So if do I have a variable that shows the current room? Or is that in globals also? Current room. Oh, well, if that's the case, I'm going to put the function here. We'll say func check win condition. So a check win condition, I would check the current room to the maximum room. If they are the same, then we win. So if current room is equal to last room, then I'll return true. Else, return false. Okay, so I've got that. So I don't need the function here, because I already have the win condition there. So then I'll say, if the room is clear, then I'll say globals, globals dot if globals dot check win condition. If it is, then I'll say game win. Else next room. That'll be the same thing here. So now I can win the game. And we'll cheat a little bit by drinking that potion only every time. So left door. Left door. Right door. Door. How many doors are there? 12. I should probably have been counting. Ooh, I feel like I've been going for a long time. Let's see. Which door? Left door is true. Oh. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna say left door clear and right door clear. And I need to track what room print room number globals dot current room. That way I can figure out which room I'm in and list poops. String and int are operator. Oh. That's not valid, is it? No, that's not right. Well, screw it. We'll just do this. I don't want to bother with syntax at the moment. Turn off sound effects. Okay, so right door clear. Well, that is not true. So why? Okay, where is this being used? Which door? I thought, isn't this printing the... Oh, okay. It doesn't just print. I have to click a potion or click a door. That's right. There we go. So right door clear. door clear. Left door clear. Right door clear. Left door clear. All right, so that's number 10. Right door clear. Oh, what? Which door? So I'm printing which door? Left door. Left door clear, right door clear. It should always print the right result, shouldn't it? Maybe I'm just going too fast. So left door is clear. Left door is clear. Right door is clear. Right door is clear. Right door is clear. Right door is clear again. Left door is clear. Right door is clear. Left door is clear. Left door is clear. Result is false. Left door. Ah! Ah, jeez. I can't get to the... Okay. Alright, we're going to short circuit it because I can't even win my own game, which is exactly the point. I wanted it to be that way. We'll change it to be 3. I've escaped the dungeon and it's as far. I don't think I finished the message. Okay, that's good. So it is winnable. The win condition check works. That's what I wanted to check. Oh yeah, you have escaped the dungeon and for now. There we go. Set text. Cool. I also realized that on the main scene on my monster sounds, I put drink on there and it shouldn't be the drink. I need to add an audio stream player. This one's gonna be called drink potion. And then I'm gonna put the drink on there. We're gonna set it to 2. And if I go to scripts, not on the door click, not on the skill check. Potion taken. So now I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna say play. And let's make sure that I'm not auto starting it. Yeah. All right, makes a sound. Okay, I need to make that louder though. Let's make that 4. All right, it works. Cool. Except that I need to have the same check is if sound effects are enabled. Because if sound effects are not enabled, then I don't want it to play. For, obvious reasons. All right, sweet. So what have I got left to do? I mean, I'm sure there's plenty of things to do. I need to add potions. I need to add potion randomization. The problem that I'm gonna have right now is that the potion decides which potion it is when the function starts, or when it's created. And I want to make sure that all 3 potions are unique. Oh, what's up, dude? I've got some anxious and hungry kids, so I'll probably have to pause here in a minute, or well, I'll quit for the morning. So yeah, I don't think I can have the potion create itself. I can't just have it randomly pick a potion. I need to have the main scene pick the potions every time, I think. So that'll be a bit of a change. I'm trying to think of how that was gonna... Well, I'll just do it in the ready function every time. I'll pick 3. Okay. I'm gonna write some notes and then I'm gonna have to quit because my kids are being a bit of annoyance this morning. So I'm going to, where do I want to do it? I don't think it really matters. I'll just put a thing here and I'll say, set up potions. Oh, it's not C#. Sorry, I'm a C# developer. That's not right. Pick 3 different random potions and set each potion. So I'm gonna have to come here to a potion, and I'm gonna have to have no, not a potion shelf. Because I have a potion. No, I need to do it here. Okay, so I have this has this potion, so I can set the potion on each one. On potion green, now potion, or this potion. Okay, so potion shelf. I have potion green, potion red, potion yellow. Okay, so let me just try something here. Dot this. Oh, I can't do it here, I don't think. This potion. Okay, so I have to create properties for them, because I need to be able to reference them on the shelf so I can set the potion. So I will need to have a ready function. I will need to have a var red potion, var yellow potion, and then instead of doing the pass, I will actually say, we'll start by saying red potion. This potion is equal to red potion. Potion green dot this potion is equal to green potion. Potion yellow dot this potion is equal to yellow. Well, see, now the problem with that I can't do it that way because I will set it after the scene is created. So I'll need to make sure that. So I can't do it this way. I can't do it inside the ready function. We'll do this. I'm figuring it out. One way or the other. Set red potion. Red potion is equal to potion, and $sign red potion, potion red. I don't need to know if I need to have the local variable now or not. Keeping it there for now, just because I don't know. All right, and then, oops. Yellow potion, potion. So now I have functions that I've created that I can pass in the function or the potions, and then inside the main scene I'll pick them and then I'll set them, because then I can say $sign potion shelf dot set can I do that? Button green potion. I don't have them exported yet. That's what I'll need to do. Okay, so I still need to export those somehow. That'll be a later problem. Need to export? Question mark? I gotta figure out the right way to do that. All right, well, it's 6:50 and I've got kids that are hungry, so I think that's where I will stop this morning. After some technical difficulties, I managed to get some stuff done, so that was kind of nice. Let's see. I will be back. Let's see, it's Friday. I will probably stream this weekend. I don't know if it'll be game streaming. Or if it'll be development streaming. It might be just game streaming. We'll see. I haven't quite decided yet. I'm working on my weekend schedule. But I will definitely be back on Monday morning, because that is going to be the new routine for a couple hours every morning. And we will, continue on. I will probably split up the game dev and some of the other stuff unless I'm working actively on a game jam. But we'll see how it goes. Right now, it is breakfast time for the family. So everybody take it easy, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.